Render distance defines how much of your game world you can see. Increasing it enhances visibility, allowing you to better explore your surroundings. To adjust this setting, first, open your Roblox settings. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, navigate to the graphics section. Here, you will find the render distance slider. Slide it to the right for better visuals. Be mindful. Higher settings can impact performance. Adjust them according to your device capabilities for an optimal gaming experience. Once you've adjusted your settings, take a moment to enjoy the enhanced views. Explore the beauty of your Roblox worlds like never before. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy your Roblox adventures. Dive deeper and appreciate every detail. Join friends in larger worlds. Communicate and share your experiences to unlock new adventures together. Check out community forums. Other players might share tips and tricks on optimizing settings for better gameplay. Experiment with different games. Each offers unique landscapes, and adjusting settings can create distinct experiences. Don't forget to save your settings. This ensures every time you log in, you enjoy the best visual experience. Now you're equipped with all the essentials to immerse yourself in Roblox. Happy gaming! Remember, the world of Roblox awaits you. Explore, create, and enjoy the endless possibilities.